Hi guys, how are you? So today we have Beauty Fix by Derm Store. This is for the month of April 2018. Yes, I had to think about it. And this is a $24.95 and $1.50 shipping and handling. So it comes out to a $26.45 a month. So this is usually skincare, and that's why I get it because it's one of like the only skincares that I get. I should get more since I'm at that age where I need more skincare than beauty products. So let's recap. So every month it gives you open it and it gives you like a little brochure thing. It tells you exactly what you're getting and all that. This brochure looks a little bit different from the other times that I got it. But yeah, let's start unboxing this beauty. So we have Beauty Fix by Derm Store, all natural, clean, fresh, and complete effective. This month is dedicated to Mother Nature. In honor of Earth Day, we truly created a collection of natural beauty for you to explore. Try these vibrant assorted products and trust us, you will be natural moving in no time. So these are the products. Woo-hoo. I already know that I don't like that one. I tried one. I think it was like a mint and it tasted awful. And after that, I am like afraid of trying, even though I know it's great for you, blah, blah, blah. But yeah. Let's start with the first thing that I see in the box. So we have Pacifica. Oh, and this, I think it's built a little bit. Well, a lot. This one is Sea Foam Complete Face Wash. Remove makeup, cleans and tone, coconut water, sea algae complex, powerful antioxidant, all skin types, sulfate free. 0.7 fluid ounces is only 20 milliliters. So right there. Pacifica is really good brand. I mean, they sell it at Target, other places, but it's really expensive. I never go for it. Oh, I get this all the time, but I like it. So I'm not mad I get this. It's just, this is a sample size. So it's not like, oh. This works 24-hour skin solution, deep sleep pillow spray. And this one is like a travel size, I guess. Like very little. Comes like that. And it always smells like botanical. And look, it's really little sample. It's let me see if it says 2.5 milliliters. Really small, but I know it's a good product. Actually, I don't know if it makes me sleep, but it makes me like relax in the bed. Let's see. Whoa, this is like almost empty. This is the Organic Pharmacy Enzyme Peel Mask, Vitamin C and Papaya Mask Peeling Eggplant. A powerful gel mask to renew dull skin, improve elasticity, and even skin tones, all skin types. This is only 5 milliliters. So all the boxes are coming with less and less stuff, or I don't know, maybe it's my imagination. But this is another scent. Let's see. We have this one is green superfood powder. Maybe I should try this one. It's Tahitian vanilla and berry infusion. Directions: mix in 8 ounces of water or milk, and we love it with almond milk, your favorite smoothie, and non-citrus juice. So raw beauty. It's supposed to have a pure and potent, gluten, soy-free, GMP facilities, non-GMO, sustainable source, no artificial colors or flavors, and it's 30 calories, no artificial colors, and it's delicious. Yeah, so basically it's like a little snack to have. The next thing we have is Hydro Cooling Firming Eye Gel. So I did get this before. I don't remember it was this brand, but it's nice to have an extra pair. I have to actually try one in the channel. I have not as of yet. So let's see that. Let's see the thing. Okay, so there's 3 more things. Let's see. Yeah, 3 more things. Okay, so this one is Tammy Fender Holistic Skincare Custom Blended Formulation Antioxidant Cream Neroli and Orange. So it has neroli and orange. Pure Living Energy. Directions: apply to a clean skin morning and evening or as often as needed. That's nice. Doesn't say much. It just says that, and it's kind of heavy, but it's only 0.5 19 grams. Let's see. It smells like something, or is it close? It's close. Ooh, it smells disgusting. It smells like if you got like a cup of earth and you're like putting it into your face. Ooh, mixed with something else because earth doesn't smell that bad. The next thing is Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream Sunday Riley. I think I heard of this one before. This is 0.3 ounces. And it says hyaluronic acid, hydrates, alpha-arbutin, brightens, enzymes exfoliates, directions applying to clean skin. Yeah, and that's about it. Doesn't say anything else. That's the little sample right there. And then the last but not least, I think that I gotten this before. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer, and this is like by Juice Beauty. This is a full size, so this is probably like a lot of money already. Whoa. So yeah, it is a full size. I always love getting full sizes. Hopefully this one. Oh, and then I know this kind of cream that you have to pump it. Whoa. As always, I put it on my nose. How crazy. Okay, so this one, really nice. After using Juice One Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. So, what does it do? Ageless. So, no broken. A ver. So, moisturize with priority blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into a resveratrol-rich grape formula to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Certified organic, antioxidant-rich ingredients hydrate lasting age-defying results. So nice. It has apple buzz, grape buzz, leaf. I mean, it has a bunch of things. It smells like lemon and like very fruity, citrusy. That's what it smells like. And that's about it. Nothing else. Nothing else. So let's start with like reading this. It says, love what is in your beauty fix. When you go to dermastore.com, you can shop for full sizes and save up to 20%. So if you like any of these products that I'm reviewing here, you put Mother Nature and you save 20%. And that's the code right there. So let's see. The first thing is this one, and they say a powerhouse blend is not only natural beauty but efficient skin care. Juicy Beauty is one brand that flies off our shelves. This all-star treatment comes backed by impressive clinical results. The secret is to success: antioxidant change or an organic juice. And it smells like organic juice. So let's see. This one is the peel mask right there. That one is refresh and renew with the powerful organic nature. Age spots are visible diminished. Blackheads are reduced while aloe vera pampers your skin to perfection. They have this little sample, the title right there. That one says brightening enzyme water cream boosts moisture levels in your complex by hyaluronic acid and tamarind extracts in this gel cream treated. Plus, it offers brightening beautifiers as well. And then we have the mystery product. So you could have gotten two. One of them is antioxidant cream, which is the one that I got, and then the other one is intensive repair balm. I would have rather preferred the other one, but I mean, it's something. We're so in love with Tammy Fender products, we couldn't choose just one. So as mystery pick from our favorite is only fitting. Pure plant remedies and hydrating formulas rich in vitamins are key features in this brand. Then we have the skin one for the under eyes. And that one says, award-winning and top-selling, one of the most popular eye treatments is this natural beauty. Experience the cooling, hydrating sensation of unique gels. Then we have the Pacifica right here. This one says, feel the wave of a fresh, clean brought to you from papaya, lemon, and tropical deliciousness. And of course, it works. That's about it. We have this pillow thing that I told you guys that I already had before. Wrap yourself up in sweet slumber of lavender and essential oils after a spirit of this. Over-the-counter sleep aid will be the thing of the past. And then we have the this one, the Raw Beauty. Supercharge your morning with alkalizing greens, detoxifying herbs, beauty boosting phytonutrients. The works all wrap up in delicious vanilla and berry infusion. And that's about it, guys. So I'm going to take this makeup off and go to bed. It's already midnight, if you don't believe it or not. But I wish you guys you have a great night. And if you're seeing this video in the morning, then I hope you're having a great morning or great mid-afternoon. So I will see you guys soon. Leave a comment below if you like any of the products, if you want me to try any of them out, or if you have any questions. I see you guys later. Bye.